Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Skill Bulletin. Today, we're going to be discussing some powerful tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned YouTuber, these strategies will surely help you achieve your goals. First things first, it's essential to create a strong brand identity. Make sure your channel has a unique name, logo, and a consistent aesthetic. This will help you differentiate yourself from other channels and build a loyal audience. Next, create high quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Focus on a specific niche or theme and consistently produce videos that provide value to your viewers. Remember, consistency is key. Now, let's talk about promoting your channel. Utilize all the available platforms to increase your visibility. Use relevant hashtags in your videos, engage with your audience on social media, and collaborate with other creators in your niche. You never know, you might discover a viral hit. Another crucial aspect is video editing. Keep your videos well organized and professional looking. Use captions and subtitles to reach a wider audience, and consider adding music or sound effects to enhance your video's experience. Lastly, don't forget to analyze your growth. Regularly review your channel's analytics to understand your audience's behavior and preferences. This will help you make informed decisions on what content to create and how to improve your channel's performance. Remember, the key to growing your YouTube channel is consistency, engagement, and high-quality content. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Background music should be soft.